Szechuan dosa. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. In a bowl, take 3 cups rice. And in another bowl, take 1 cup split black lentil urad ki dal. Soak them in water for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain the soaked rice and grind it to a fine paste. Add half cup flattened rice or poha. You can add water as required while grinding. Remove in a large bowl. Now grind the soaked lentil urad dal. Add water as required and grind to a fine paste. Remove in the same bowl. Mix well. Add water to the grinder jar and mix it with the batter. Add salt and mix well. We need a thick pouring consistency batter. Cover it and set aside. Let it ferment in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, take 2 tablespoons finely chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons finely chopped spring onion greens, and 2 tablespoons finely chopped capsicum. You can use any veggies of your choice. Mix well. Add salt. Batter has raised well, indicating it is well fermented. Mix it gently. Heat the tawa and sprinkle water over it. Immediately wipe it with a dry cloth. Pour the batter in the center and spread it in a circular motion. Let it cook for a minute on medium flame. Coat it with ghee or butter. Szechuan chutney, and the finely chopped veggies. Let it cook for a minute. Fold it when the bottom of the dosa turns golden brown and the edges start to come upwards. Transfer it on a plate and serve immediately. Before making the next dosa, sprinkle water so the surface cools down. Immediately wipe it with a dry cloth. Prepare the dosa in the same manner. After a minute, coat it with ghee or butter. Szechuan chutney and the finely chopped veggies. Szechuan dosa is ready to be served. Fold it and serve immediately. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share, and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.